Okay, this video is about installing SQL Server Express and AdventureWorks database. First, Google SQL Server Express and then click the Microsoft link, and also Google AdventureWorks full database and then click the GitHub link. Okay, then download this file. Then here, look for the full database, this one, full database backup, and download this first database here, AdventureWorks 2017.back. I have already downloaded these files. As you can see, I have them here. First, I'm going to install the SQL Server Express. Yes, click yes. Okay, select custom. Okay, SQL Media 27. So it will install it here. So I will click install. Now it's going to download the package first and then install it. So I'm going to pause this video for the meantime. So almost done downloading packages. Next, it's going to install the server. So I can set up now. Okay, so let's try. Next, next. Okay, click next. I accept the license terms. Okay, what do we need to install? You don't need this one. Okay, I think that's fine. Let's wait. Okay. Instance name, SQL Express. Okay, I remember this name. Okay, next. So here's the account name for the login and the services. Let's copy this one. Okay, so, MSQL Express. Okay. No password. Okay. Next. SQL login. Login. Save it here. I want previous authentication. Okay. Okay, now it's almost done installing. It's taking time. Okay, all successful. Okay, let's minimize this one and let's check. Okay, if you don't have a SQL management studio, I think you need to install this one. You can also download it in Microsoft page. Okay, I think I'm doing this wrong, so this is how we connect to the SQL server, to the server name and SQL Express. Uh, this is your computer name actually. Then I choose the Windows authentication during installation. Okay, as you can see, there's no database. Now let's connect the AdventureWorks database. Okay, let's choose the restore database, and then select device, then add. Okay, I actually put it somewhere else. SQL files, and this is the AdventureWorks database. Okay, click OK, and again click OK. Okay, it's now restored. So here's the AdventureWorks database, and we can now browse the tables in this database. Now let's try to create a new query. Let me try to view. We can view this. Let's try to view one of the table, like the person that we selected. 1,000. Okay, all right, it's working. So, okay, that's how you install SQL Server Express and the AdventureWorks database. Thank you very much for watching.